This one is called LiveGfree. It looks like LiveGfree. Anyway, live a gluten-free, that's what the G for, live gluten. Life with comfort knowing that each product has been sourced and made from premium quality gluten-free ingredients to provide with a worry-free diet that tastes great.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
So this product is dairy-free, egg-free, gluten-free, nut-free, soy-free, and wheat-free. That's important because if you have celiac disease, you don't want to try something like this and make it worse. The product is 120 calories per bar. We'll find out in a minute. It's got 1 gram saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 30 milligrams of sodium. That is nothing. I mean, if you have a salt problem, this would be a great snack. Total carbohydrates are 20, dietary fibers 2, sugars are 8. A little bit high on the sugar, 2 grams of protein. It has calcium and iron, and that's it. The ingredients are quite lengthy. I'll be putting that on the video. Alright, so it says here, ancient grains, gluten-free. So let's open it up.
Open it up. No, they just don't make these things easy to open up unless you break it up. Okay, so it's just very similar to the other one, except for this one is cocoa Loco, and it tells you all the ingredients on the back. And I always like to look around, see what else. It tells you a nutritional facts of each of these. So this is 120 calories. So let's see what it tastes like. So you could use it on your picnics. Seems fairly easy to open. It almost looks like a brownie, a very flat looking brownie. It's a little dense, but it has a good taste. Because a lot of times people think that gluten-free doesn't taste good. This is the exception. This is quite good. I like the little chocolate chips that they have on the inside right over here. Now, if you're on a diet, do not eat processed food. Stick to your vegan diet of eating a lot of vegetables. Once you've achieved your weight, then you can experiment and try these out, because this will put on the weight back on. It's just the way it is. But this is a very nice little bar. Under 20 calories. I'll probably wear that out in the backyard. Well worth your time. I don't have celiac disease, but a lot of people tell me, do you make gluten-free food or do you review it? I think this is a winner. It tells you 120 calories. It says 1 gram saturated fat, 30 milligrams of sodium, 8 sugars. Alright.
Subscribe to us.
Thanks for
and
watching.
Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.